Everyone, you're welcome back to today's tutorial. And of course, if you actually watched the previous tutorial, you find out that we are actually working on this beautiful interlock design, and we started by creating the first part of the design. So if you haven't seen that particular video, I want you to make sure that, of course, after this you actually check it out. I will ensure and try as much as possible to put it on the screen at the end of this video. If you do not see it today, please comment, can I see the first part of this video, and then I'll guide you on how to access that particular video. Of course, we are going to be going to how to put it together today. If you are just watching us for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. One way or the other, you build new streams of income. At the same time, you reduce your family expenses on footwear. Now I need you to sit back, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, the next thing we are going to be doing now is, of course, we have created this. We are going to begin to actually put it together. What you need to do is, I need you to arrange it on a plain sheet. You have to really be careful with this. You can see we have a straight line here. If you have a plain sheet or a pattern that does not have a straight line, I'm going to suggest you use your ruler to draw a straight line and make sure it is very straight. That is really very important. So you want to place it and make sure that this part aligns, that part aligns. So I'm going to just draw it out here. Just try to draw. So now that I've drawn this, the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be turning it this other way, and I'm going to be placing it here. Now, at this point, you want to also ensure that you actually place this one this way. You want to make sure that it aligns properly with the previous one. So you can see my placement. Let me try to zoom in so that we can see. Now you can see what I did. You can see that this part is actually almost touching this. I need you to see it so that you know how to place yours as well. Can you see what I have right here? So I want to go ahead and draw. Just draw it on top of it, don't worry. Everything will sort itself out. So now I need you to look at it intently. Now look at this. If you look at it, you find out that we have something that went this way and went this way. So we are going to be paying attention to this and then this. Can you see it? We're going to be paying attention to this, you know, this coming join with this. This is going to be joined with this, and we're going to trim it out. Just look at me. Let me try to. So I'm just going to follow the one that the S part of it. You can see that it looks more like S. So let's go. Let's start from here. Don't forget that this part is going to go straight down. And of course, this one is going to be coming in. Is 2 centimeters wide, but don't mind that yet. I just want, because I saw that there's enough space there. So you want to follow me as I create the S now. Don't forget it's going this way. Can you see the way I'm going? Can you see what this looks like? So I'm also going to come to this side. Just follow the S part that was formed. I'm sure you can see what I have right here. The only thing that I need here is actually a strap that is going to be attached to it. Now, I need you to know that if you find yourself struggling with pattern cutting, I'm going to be recommending the course on the screen for you. What you need to do is just send us a WhatsApp message, and of course we will guide you through on how to go about this. We have 40 different patterns right in the course, so send us a WhatsApp message. I want to ascertain and let you know, guarantee you that by the time you are through with the 40 videos, each time you see a particular pattern, of course they are majorly for men, for women, as well as for children. We have palms, we have sandals as well, you know, in that 40 different footwear patterns. So I want to guarantee that you will be able to analyze any design you see and be able to cut them just like I am doing in this video. So I'm just going to attach another strap to this, and then we are good to go with our design. Now for this particular one, if you don't want it to go straight, you can decide to attach it slant. You can attach this one slant. It depends on the way you want it. So let's attach a strap to this part and see what it literally looks like. So for the strap, I'm going to actually make it 2 centimeters as well. You can take the measurements of your last to be able to know what length to actually use, you know, attached to it. That one should be, you know, as with respect to your, what did they call it, your size. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it here. Like I said, if you like, you want it to go this way, it can go this way. If you want it to go this way, it will still form what you want. Let's check first. Now you can see what this looks like here. So if I place it this way, I place this one here. So it means if I slant it down, it will go down. Now let me show you what I mean. So if this is here, right, this one, by the time I'm placing this part, I can make it slant it downwards. So let me put some gum and then I'll hold it down. I'm using our normal contact cement adhesive, the OC High brand. So I was saying that I can decide to make it slant, so like this. So I'll basically now trim it later in case it doesn't look like what I want. Now I'm going to be using this particular one to interlock it. Let me show you what it looks like. Can you see what we have right there? And this is coming down this way. This also will go down on its own, and this one too will go down on its own. So practically what you just need for this design is just this particular one. As long as you can actually attain this, then you are good to go. I want to believe with this you should be able to create yours. Now if you don't want yours to be as wide as mine, for example, I use 5.5, you can decide to use 4.5. You can decide to use 4.5. What does that mean? By the time you use 4.5, you can decide to use this side maybe to be 1.5, this other side 1.5 instead of 2 centimeters that I use, which means the middle will still be 1.5. And if you want to use this side to be maybe 1.75, and you want the middle to be 1.25, you can actually do that as well. So it means it will not be as, you know, the length at the end of the day will not be as much as this. That's the way you can actually, you know, reduce it if you want. Probably you want to, you know, make this for a baby girl, and you want that front to look like that, and then you intend to add a strap at the back, because you can actually do that. You just want to place it this way. You understand? You want to place it this way, maybe it comes like this, and then a strap can be attached to it. You don't forget that this is just an open toe slipper, so you may not have, you know, you will not have it reaching this hand. You understand? But if it's for a child, you can always work on that. Just work on this particular strap, attach it in such a way that it comes backward a bit, and then you are good to go. So thank you for joining me today. Like I said, if you have not seen the first part, I need you to go right ahead and see it. You can use the link on the screen. Just click what you have on the screen and it will take you right there. So anytime you're watching my channel and you see whatever link on the screen, feel free to click it. By the time you click, you will be able to, you know, it will take you down to the it will take you straight to where the video is, any link you find on the screen. So this is what we have. Come on now, this is so cute and beautiful. All right, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.